Welcome to Bigly Sales. Our mission is to give small businesses the same tools global brands are using. Today you're going to learn how to import contacts into Bigly. This is the first thing you should do to get started with Bigly. The importer allows you to quickly and easily upload any Excel or CSV file. Once your contacts are uploaded, you will be able to segment them however your heart desires and send those segments text and email blasts. Let's get started. The first time you log into Bigly, you will be automatically directed to the import screen. If you want to import more data, just click Import on the top menu bar of the home screen. On the next page, you can drag the file you would like to add or click Browse to import a file. This should only take a few seconds. Once the file has been uploaded, name your contact list so it will be easier to find later. The next step is adding tags. Tags are ways to organize your data. Some examples of tags are VIP clients, company size, lifestyle, referral source, deal stage, etc. Anything that will help you sell can be a tag. After you create each tag, click Enter to separate them. You can use as many tags as you'd like. When you're done creating tags, click on the green Next button. That's it. Now you're all set. The next step is to pair your data, which you can see in our next video. Thank you for watching Bigly Sales Tutorials. See you next time!